Welcome! In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps you need to follow to make sure you never miss an important chat on Messenger. Notifications keep you updated in real time, and if they're turned off, messages can get lost until you open the app. Let's go through the process of enabling chat notifications so you can stay connected without any hassle. The first thing you need to do is head over to your phone's settings. This is where all of your app controls and permissions are managed. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down until you find the Apps section. This list includes every app installed on your device. Next, look for Messenger in that list and tap on it. This will open up the specific options and controls for the Messenger app. Here, you'll find things like permissions, storage, and, most importantly, notifications. Now, go ahead and tap on Notifications. This area determines how Messenger alerts you whenever something new comes in. Depending on your device, you may see notifications grouped into categories. To make sure that chat notifications are active, tap on Notification Categories. Inside Notification Categories, you'll see different types of alerts Messenger can send. What we're focused on here is the Chats option. Make sure you toggle this switch on. When it's on, Messenger will send you alerts every time you receive a new chat message, so you'll always know when someone is trying to reach you. After making this adjustment, you don't need to press anything else. These changes are saved automatically. You can back out of Settings and head back to your home screen. To double-check that everything is working, you can ask a friend to send you a quick message and confirm that the notification appears. And that's it. You've successfully enabled chat notifications on Messenger. With these settings in place, you'll stay in the loop with friends, family, or anyone else you keep in touch with. Taking a couple of minutes to adjust your phone's settings ensures that you'll never miss an important message again. Thanks for watching.